What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. I invite you all to like, comment, subscribe. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to send best offers to interested buyers. All you have to do is go to my eBay, click on selling, and then from here you go to listings, active, then you see this quick filters. You're gonna put send offers, click on that. From here you put actions, and I already sent them, as you see, but you click on actions, so it clicks all of them, and then you put, there's going to be a little tab that says send offers. All you do is click on it, and then it's going to tell you the percentage you want to give them. So I did a 5% off, and I sent the offer. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.